Morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. Use your potato peeler to peel this horseradish root and then slice it thinly. If you are pregnant, do not use horseradish. Now divide it evenly into your jars. I'm using 4 quart jars. I'm going to get a measurement quick just to show you how much is on each layer, roughly about a half a cup. Horseradish has calcium, folate, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and zinc. It is a natural antibacterial. It helps clear mucus and even helps in weight loss. I have decided to use half a cup of the cranberries because it has so many healing properties, and that red color is so beautiful. Do not use Fire Cider if you are taking blood thinners. It could cause problems for you. Fire Cider is excellent for inflammation like arthritis and digestive disorders. Now to add some vitamin C, 2 oranges, 2 lemons, and 2 limes, sliced thinly. Divide these into your jars. Fire Cider is a sweet and spicy vinegary homemade tonic. It is a fermented tonic that helps fight off colds, flus, boosts the immune systems, and other health benefits. Now add half a cup of onions to each jar. A 1/4 cup of garlic to each jar. People have been using onions and garlic since ancient time. It is beneficial for the digestive system, for cramps, bloating, and heartburn. It stimulates the work of the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Now let's get some ginger in here too. Ginger is good for nausea, morning sickness, weight loss, lowering blood sugar, indigestion, menstrual pain, lowering cholesterol, and brain health. Now let's add some jalapeños. If you don't like it very spicy, just divide 1 jalapeno in all your jars. Jalapeños can improve your immune system, fight against cancer, help with migraines, anti-inflammatory, and improve your nerve system. Now add 1 sprig of rosemary to each jar. Rosemary is a great cognitive healing properties in it. It also helps with stomach issues and improves circulation. Now I'm going to add 6 turmeric roots, which is an excellent property for anti-inflammatory and stomach issues. It's also said to help with our memory. Now you can see the wonderful healing properties in Fire Cider. With so many benefits, how could you resist this? Now to boost that turmeric, let's add some peppercorn to it too. Will help the turmeric release all of its natural benefits. This is a 1/2 teaspoon that I'm using, but you're going to want to use 1 heaping teaspoon in each jar. Now fill with apple cider vinegar. You're going to want to store these jars for 4 weeks in a dark, cool place. Shake every day and burp your jars, which means just taking the lids off and putting back on. Now use some wax paper to put your lids on because it is vinegar and it will corrode your lids because they are metal. After 4 weeks, strain all the solids and add honey to the liquid to your desired taste. I always use the veggies for salads since they are fermented and are healthy for you. Or you could use these plastic lids off the small jars of peanut butter. It's best to take this tonic 1 tablespoon in the morning and in the evening. Well guys, here is that beautiful fire cider. Thank you again for taking time to watch this video, and as always, may God bless you.